Good evening, everybody. Here the question on screen. The sum of the series s equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon n minus 1. Here, know that summation n tends to 0 to infinity n upon factorial n equal to e. Now, now n tends to 1 to infinity n n minus 1 be right. Okay, n n cut n equal to 1 to infinity n minus 1 factorial equal to e. So here the option D is correct. Next question on screen. The coefficient of x की power n in the expansion of e की power x plus e की power 7x upon 3x is. Now B solve it. E की power 7x plus e की power x upon e की power 3x. Now we write e की power 7x upon 3x plus e की power x upon e की power 3x. Now 7x minus 3x plus e की power x minus 3x. B find 4x plus minus 2x. Now we write summation n tends to 0 to infinity of this 4x power n upon factorial n plus minus 2x power n upon factorial n. Summation n tends to 0 to infinity. Now the coefficient of x की power n is equal to 4n upon factorial n minus 2 की power n upon factorial n. Okay, thank you. Here the option D is correct. Okay. Now the next question on screen. B take on short trick. N tends to 1 to infinity n plus 1 upon factorial n. Now summation n tends to 1 to infinity n square upon factorial n. Okay. Now n tends to 1 to infinity n upon factorial n. B know that summation n tends to 1 to infinity n square upon factorial n equal to 2e and it is equal to e. 3 is the right answer. Option A is correct. Now next question on screen. The coefficient of x की power 3 in the expansion of x upon e की power x minus 1 is equal to A option 1 upon 2, B, C, D. Now the question is very long method. B solve. X e की power x is the expansion 1 plus x upon factorial 1 x square factorial 2 x cube upon factorial 3 and so on minus 1. Okay, 1 cancel. Okay, x is common every term. Now 1 plus x upon factorial 2 x square upon factorial 3 and so on. Okay, x. Now we take to write 1 plus x upon 2 plus x square upon factorial 3. Okay, we write. We know that the formula we know that 1 plus x power minus 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube. Okay, we take down here x 1 minus x upon 2 plus x square upon 6. Okay, Now next term is x square. Here x upon 2 plus x square upon factorial 3. Now we take 6 square minus x upon 2 plus x square upon 6 q. So the coefficient of x की power q is equal minus 4 factorial plus 2 upon 2 का factorial and so on. We solve it, take 0 answer, 0 option. Next question on screen. It is a very important question of the examination. The question on screen we solve. Now the question on screen we solve. We know that 2 into x plus x cube upon q, x5 upon 5 and so on, log 1 plus x 1 minus x. Here x is equal to m minus n upon m plus n. Okay, now we solve log 1 plus m minus n upon m plus n upon 1 minus m minus n upon m plus n. ये m plus n plus m minus n upon m plus n minus m plus n. Okay, here n is cross upon m is cross, log m 2m upon 2n, log m upon n is the right answer. A option is correct. Next, the question on screen. Sum 2 upon 3 factorial plus 4 upon 5 factorial plus 6 upon 7 factorial. Pn is 2n upon 2n plus 1. Okay, now we write 2n plus 1, 1 add 1 less. Okay, 2n plus 1. Now we write 2n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1, 2n, okay, minus 1 upon 2n plus 1. This cut is cancelled. Summation n tends to 1 to infinity, 1 upon factorial 2n minus 1 upon 2n plus 1 का factorial. Now we open this 1 upon 2 का factorial minus 1 upon 3 का factorial. We put n बराबर 1. Now we put next step n equal to 2, n equal to 2, 1 upon 4 का factorial minus 1 upon 5 का factorial. नेक्स्ट स्टेप n बराबर 3, n इक्वल टू 3, 6 माइनस 1 अपॉन 7 का फैक्टोरियल प्लस एंड सो ऑन. नाउ वी टेक इन वन लाइन 1 अपॉन 0 का फैक्टोरियल प्लस माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 का फैक्टोरियल वन का फैक्टोरियल 1 ऐड 1 लेस प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 का फैक्टोरियल माइनस 1 अपॉन 3 का फैक्टोरियल प्लस 1 अपॉन 4 का फैक्टोरियल माइनस 1 अपॉन 5 का फैक्टोरियल प्लस 1 अपॉन 6 का फैक्टोरियल माइनस 1 अपॉन 7 का फैक्टोरियल एंड सो ऑन. हेयर e माइनस 1 इज, चूँकि e माइनस एक्स 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 2 माइनस एक्स क्यूब अपॉन फैक्टोरियल 3. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन स्क्रीन. Next question on the screen. The sum of the series 9 upon factorial 1, 16 upon factorial 2, 17 upon 27 upon factorial 3, 42 upon factorial 4 plus to infinity. A option 5e, B option 7e, C option 9e, D option 11e minus 6. B, you can try this and option get this. Next question. Next question on screen. N is not a multiple of a 3, then the coefficient of x की power n in the expansion of is. Now we try log e base 1 plus x square. Now log e base 1 minus x 1 plus x square 1 minus x multiply by and divide by multiply 1 minus x and divide by 1 minus x. We know that aq minus bq a minus b a square b square minus ab, sorry, plus ab. Okay, now here we write log 1 minus x cube upon 1 minus x. Now log 1 minus x cube 1 minus x. Okay, here log series log 1 minus x is equal to minus x square upon 2 minus x cube upon q minus x 4 upon 4 and so on. So द क्या हो जाएगा, सो x माइनस एक्स क्यू माइनस एक्स 6 अपॉन 2 माइनस एक्स 9 अपॉन 3 एक्स 12 अपॉन 4 एंड सो ऑन. ओके, नेक्स्ट माइनस नेक्स्ट माइनस here minus log is equal to होगा x plus x square upon plus x की power 4 upon 4. n is not multiple of 3, then the first bracket the coefficient is 0 and the second bracket the coefficient of x की power n is equal to 1 upon factorial n. तो right option is A option. Okay, next question on screen. Summation n tends to 1 to infinity n square minus n plus 1 upon factorial n is equal to n tends to 1 to infinity n square upon factorial n minus n upon factorial n summation n tends to 1 to infinity plus summation n tends to 1 to infinity 1 upon n. Okay, next question on screen. Next question on the screen. The sum of the series 1 plus 2 upon 1 into 2 into 3, 2 upon 3 into 4 into 5, 2 upon 5 into 6 into 7. Okay, ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी. ओके, चलिए बी 1 प्लस राइट बी 1 2 माइनस 2 3 फर्स्ट, सेकेंड 3 into 4 माइनस 4 into 5 second plus 1 5 into 6 5 into 6 minus 6 into 7 and so on. 1 plus be right 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 plus minus 2 3 2 upon 3 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 1 1 2. Now we put 2 into 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 and so on. इससे log 2 की सीरीज होती है. ओके, तो you can download the notes in PDF www.jobsupdate.co. Okay, thank you.